Sneaker world, internets, this is a drip ejector with a flavor selector, and always with that something South Carolina perspective. Today, we about to take a look at the Maniere Air Jordan 4s while you were sleeping, because a lot of y'all slept on these, but this might be one of the best Air Jordan 4s to drop this year. So, normally I save the unboxings for YouTube Shorts, but today, we're going to give you the whole spiel in this review, so let's get to it. Y'all, this is a big box. The packaging, because it got the special box, you know what I'm saying? They had to ship in the extra large box. So y'all, these came in women's sizes. So I got a men's 10, women's 11.5. Y'all, the box. Man, first of all, this is a collector's item right here. Like, as y'all know, I keep all my original boxes. So this right here just looks amazing. I don't know where I'm going to put this box because I need this to just be displayed somewhere. Woo. Unique opening process. Oh my God. First of all, y'all, look at how they wrapped in that nice cloth and the smell. That reminds me of the releases that was coming out back in 07. If you was there, then you know. Y'all, these are the Maniere Air Jordan 4s. My God, this shoe right here is beautiful. As far as storytelling, execution, James Whitner, Maniere, they do it probably top 3, y'all. Like, they really unmatched. Like, and with releases too. Like, most sneakerheads are gonna hit on the website drops like 90% of the time, even though that's shipping. You know what I'm saying? We gonna hold that down because y'all, this shoe is beautiful. Man, this is my first time seeing them with y'all, so it seems like it's a mix between nubuck and suede around the toe box. Of course, they got that beautiful big nappy suede, and I want to say either this is a short hair suede or a nubuck. I'm not sure. We got that Nike Air hit on the back, the A on the tongue for my ear. You know what I'm saying? I like how they switched it up, and it's like in there. Like, quality is crazy on these. I think these are white laces in this pair. Inside quilted guts. Y'all, these is one of the ones, y'all. I understand why they said while you were sleeping, because a lot of y'all slept. But I hope this review wake y'all up, bro. Look at the inside, y'all. Just quality. Oh, my God. Air Jordan behind the tongue. And it's just so many other little details. The hang tag is nice as well. I wouldn't be mad if you kept the hang tag on there. We definitely got the black outsole OG, you know what I'm saying, just like the original 4s. So this is the right foot, and it comes with the, I want to say that's a sail lace, like to match the midsole. I think this is the way to go. Either you could keep it OG laces, or these laces for sure. White laces is a no-go. Y'all, this shoe is absolutely beautiful. It's super quality. This is a great year for Air Jordan 4s. And, man, James them, they did not disappoint, y'all. The Jumpman on this tongue, y'all, it's the details, y'all. It's definitely the details. This is my first time looking at them because this is a true unboxing. So we experiencing this together, but, man, the netting, the wing, everything about this shoe is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Also, it's almost like a raw edge. I don't know if a lot of people even noticed that. That's a nice little detail right there. Nothing beats that new Air Jordan smell, y'all. We went so many years, especially in the early 2000s, the 2010s, where we was just having that Jumpman on the back, and we wanted them to bring it back in its original form. They done it, and even with collaboration. So this is fire, y'all. Like, this might be one of my favorites. So to compare the two, this Reimagine is quality, and this Maniere is luxury. Both great shoes, but man, it's just a difference, y'all. Still one of my favorites for this year. That leather is plush. Man. Y'all, this is the year of the Air Jordan 4. Which pair y'all rocking with the most? Y'all going Reimagine or y'all going Maniere? I feel like you can't go wrong with either one, y'all. Y'all, so until the next episode, peace and love.